You should clean Sonnet 2 regularly by wiping it with a soft, damp cloth. Don't use cleaning solutions, and take extra care when cleaning small parts, such as the battery contacts and microphone covers. Inspect the battery contacts regularly. To clean them, you can use the provided brush and a small amount of rubbing alcohol, and then gently wipe them dry. If the microphone cover gets wet, wipe it dry or replace it. You should replace the microphone cover every 3 months, or sooner if it appears dirty or if sound quality has worsened. Use the drying kit every night to allow Sonnet 2 to dry out completely. Before placing the audio processor in the drying kit, you must remove the disposable or rechargeable batteries.